Leaks. Door leaks. Check the leveling of the appliance. The door may not be closed due to a tilted dishwasher. In this case, a water leak may occur. The water level should be checked after the initial fill on the cycle. The dishwasher may leak during operation if it is not correctly leveled. Open the door to 45 to 60 degrees and remove the lower cover by pushing the hook on the bottom side. Adjust leveling feet as necessary. Check the top and corners of the door for distortion. If there is any visible, this could be preventing the door from closing properly. Check the upper rack. Make sure the door opens and closes smoothly. If necessary, level the dishwasher again. Leaks from hoses. Check the inlet and outlet connections for leaks. If there is a leak, the hoses will need to be checked for proper connection.